In this video, I will be showing types of numbers and Bodmas. So to start off with, we have integers. Another word for integer is a whole number. For example, 5 and 21 would be an integer, but decimals such as 4.6 would not. Pretty simple. The next thing I want to go through is rational and irrational numbers. A rational number can be written as a fraction, and an irrational cannot. So they are never ending with no pattern. So pi would be irrational and 0.7 would be rational. Square roots of positive numbers are either integers or they are rational. And finally, I will go through Bodmas. This is pretty simple. Bodmas stands for brackets, other, dividing, multiplying, adding and subtracting. This is the order that operations should be done in. So in an operation you would look for brackets first. If there are brackets, then complete them first. Then you move along the chain until you have completed the operation. Now I'm going to go through some questions with you. For question 1, which of these numbers are rational? 7, 41.1, root 25, minus 6, root 34 and 0.25. This is very much a beginner level question. You would look through each one and decide which ones are rational and which ones aren't. So first, 7. It can be written as a fraction, which is 7 over 1. Therefore it is rational. 41.1 can be written as a fraction as well. 411 over 10. Therefore it is rational. Root 25 equals 5, which is a positive integer. Therefore it is rational. Minus 6 can be written as minus 6 over 1, therefore it is rational. Root 34 does not equal a whole number, therefore it isn't rational. And finally, 0.25 can be written as 1 over 4, therefore it is rational. So for that question, every number is rational except for root 34. Then for the next question, we will go through Bodmas. So we have to work out the value of brackets, 2 times 4, all squared, add 2 divided by 7 times 4. First of all, we have to solve the bracket. 2 times 4 is 8. So now we have got rid of any of the brackets, we do other. Powers fall into this category, so we do 8 squared to give 64. There is no more others, so now on to multiply and divide. It doesn't matter what order you do these in, so you would follow along the operation. So let us do 2 divided by 7 to give 2 over 7, and then 2 over 7 times 4 to give 8 over 7. Now all we have to do is add them together, so you do 64, add 8 over 7 to give us a final answer of 65 and 1/7. I hope you learned something from this video, and please consider subscribing and liking to promote my channel.